Hey everyone! So you have already got or are planning to get a gift voucher? Do you want to know how to use the gift voucher at an outlet? Let me show you how you can use the gift voucher at an outlet. I am Deepika, your host for the day. It's really easy. Watch the video and follow the steps. Use the outlet locator to locate the nearest outlet that accepts the gift voucher. Visit www.gifter.com/HDFC Smartbuy. Search the brand name in the search bar. Click on the brand name and the brand page will open. Click on the search bar and enter your city name. Click on the search button and the list of all the listed outlets in your city will open. Visit the nearby outlet and select your product. Share your gift voucher with the cashier at the time of billing and pay the remaining amount by cash or card if required. Simple, wasn't it? Hey, we hope you liked the video. Now visit www.gifter.com/HDFC Smartbuy for exciting offers and discounts. Thank you for shopping with HDFC Bank.